Alright guys, as you see, I have 2.5 pounds of chicken, which is quarter leg. I have them cut up and clean. So now I have my large bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and add my soy sauce. I'm using like quarter cup soy sauce, guys. Alright guys, now I'm gonna add my Worcester sauce. I'm doing 3 tablespoons of the Worcester sauce. And then guys, I'm gonna add ½ teaspoon black pepper. I'll add some onion powder. And for the turmeric, guys, I'm gonna add a teaspoon. And here I'm gonna go with my garlic powder, guys.